The sun is setting, painting skies of fire on pink beach Natuna, where hearts aspire. The ocean whispers, the waves kiss the shore. In this quiet haven, we long for more. Pink beach Natuna, where dreams are born. The colors of twilight, the sky's warm embrace. With every wave, a story untold. In the glow of the sunset, we're free and bold. The sand turns crimson as the night draws near. Stars start to twinkle, the air feels clear. Footprints in the sand, they fade with the tide. But the beauty of this place stays deep inside. Pink beach Natuna, where dreams are born. The colors of twilight, the sky's warm embrace. With every wave, a story untold. In the glow of the sunset, we're free. In the silence we find peace, where the ocean and sky never cease. Underneath the stars we are one. On pink beach Natuna, where the day is done. Pink beach Natuna, where dreams are born. The colors of twilight, the sky's warm embrace. With every wave, a story untold. In the glow of the sunset, we're free. Pink beach Natuna, where hearts collide. In the beauty